What's up, grade 5? Part 2 of our trivia game. We left off, we made a costume called Costume 2 for our question sprite, and that's going to display the question. What we might want to do is add a little more text under this, and we'll just say press space to show answer. Okay, that way in case someone's using your game and they don't know how to use it, they'll know that they should press spacebar next. So essentially, here's how it would work. Someone at home would choose this question. It'll switch to this costume. You'll read the question. Someone at home would buzz in. You'd call on who buzzed in first. They'd answer, and then would see if it's right or wrong. Okay, when we'll make a next costume here. Okay, so that's kind of how it is. Let's duplicate costume 2 now. All right, so now this is the same. All we need to do down here is add the answer with our text tool, because Boston is the capital of Massachusetts. And then maybe we'll just do the same thing again. And actually what we can do here is we can take this. We can use our select drag tool. I just grabbed this. That's so we can select that. We'll go back to text. And we'll just press space. Okay, and we'll just grab the move again and we'll just move it right over here. Okay, so here's how it will look. Here's your question block. We're going to click on it. It's going to show the question. You read the question, you get the answers, or maybe everybody gets a chance to answer, and then you press space to show the answer. Whoever got it right can get 100 points. Whoever didn't can take away 100 or get no points. That's your call. You're the host. Okay, so let's get started with a little bit of code here. We want to make sure that we start on costume 1, which is our question block. Okay, so costume 1 is the block we click on, 2 is the question, 3 is the question with the answer. Okay, so that's the order that they'll go. And once we do one question block, all we need to do is duplicate it to make others. Okay, we'll do all the hard work here, and then once we're done the hard work here, we'll just duplicate it, and you can make as many questions as you'd like. Okay, so we'll grab a green flag. We'll make sure that that costume is costume 1. So when I hit the flag, all right, so that worked. Now, here's the easiest way to do this using your XY coordinate. Take this block and drag it where you want it on your screen. When you do that, the numbers in the XY coordinates automatically change for the placement that you just put it. So I want my block to be right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it, and then I'm going to take a go to XY, and we'll snap it here. So now if I were to drag that and I hit the green flag, it's going to place it in the correct spot. Okay, that's going to be the important part, is making sure that your X and Y's for all of your different questions have their own space. Okay, that's going to be the trickiest part of this. Okay, so we're good so far. Well, let's make it switch to the question. We're going to go to events, and we'll use a when this sprite is clicked. So which means when I tap on this, something should happen. So when the sprite is clicked, I don't know, why don't we have it animate? We'll have it slide to the middle of the screen, which is 0, 0. Then we'll have it switch to the question. I think that sounds all right. So we'll go to motion. We'll tell the block to glide to 0, 0, which is the middle of the screen. And we'll tell it to switch to costume 2 when it's done gliding. So let's see how it works. So let's put this here. Okay, so I'm going to tap on it. There it goes. All right, we're in business. So we have a working question. Green flag, tap, doodle. There we go. Looking good. So I'll be back with part 3. Okay, get that taken care of, and then we'll add some more code to this.